struggled during the exam. I think just because I thought about it too quickly and tried to move on to problem 4. Just because I was pressed for time. But I'm not sure exactly how I got some of these problems or answers, but a couple of them are close, most of them are way off. So there is that. But for the first one, it definitely is first order because you have a flow rate that's immediately in is immediately out, almost immediately. So the input should be about the same as the output. So I put that here. Second one, you have a tank filling, so it's a first order time delay because as you increase the flow rate in, it'll take a moment for the flow rate out to increase. So you can see the two responses, step and impulse, are the same, just delayed. The stirred tank is a little bit different. It should be first order in response, but it's a ramp and a decrease, so an inverse ramp. So this is because your concentration in takes a bit to stir around and you get your concentration out. For a step input, it'll just take a while and eventually reach where the step originally increased to. Impulse, it'll start really high and then decrease exponentially because concentration slowly decreases over time in a mixing tank. Cascade should be second order, so you get a little bit of an oscillatory response in both, and it's the same idea where it starts up versus starts down. Actually, this should be shifted over a little bit now that I see. Right here, this guy. Then for the underdamped second order reactor, I almost got it, but should be oscillatory around the 0.0, because that's your endpoint. And then same here, impulse, it'll eventually reach that impulse value.